Angel. So when
Angel.
we say A, it's angel. Otherwise, it's angel, but angel is not correct. Angel, right?
Angel.
Another word, able, apex,
Apex.
but we say it apex, right? Shoe company, and they also call it apex, but it's apex.
Apex.
Apex, right? Apex. So if you say O, it's over. But if you say O, it's over. Have you found the difference? Over, open. P, P. Is there any movement? P, P,
No, sir.
P. Very slight. But if I say P, 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 can you see the difference? P,
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
P.
of course.
Was just scrolling Facebook and suddenly one of your videos appeared in front of me, and I got to know about your course from there, and I decided to do this. Obviously, it was a great session, sir.